In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or reset your Robinhood password. Whether you remember your current password or you've forgotten it, I'll walk you through both options clearly so you can secure your account in just a few minutes. If you know your current password and want to change it, start by opening the Robinhood app and logging in. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the menu icon in the top left to open more options. Scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Here, tap Change Password. You'll be asked to enter your current password, then type your new password and confirm it in the next field. Make sure the new password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Double check that both new password fields match exactly. Even a single extra space will cause an error. When everything looks good, tap Submit. You'll see confirmation that your password has been updated. This change applies across your devices, so the next time you sign in, use your new password. If you use a password manager, update it now so it saves the latest version and you don't get locked out. If you've forgotten your password, resetting it is straightforward. Open the Robinhood app or go to robinhood.com. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password, enter the email address or the phone number linked to your account. Robinhood will send you a verification code or a reset link by email or SMS. Keep an eye on your inbox or messages and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. When the message arrives, follow the link or enter the code, then create a new password. Confirm it to make sure there aren't any typos and tap Submit. Your account will now be accessible with the new password. For your safety, only use links sent directly from Robinhood and avoid anything that looks suspicious. A few final tips to keep your account secure. Choose a unique password you don't use anywhere else, store it in a trusted password manager, and be mindful of capitalization when typing. Using the reveal icon can help you spot mistakes before submitting. Consider turning on two-factor authentication under Security and Privacy for an extra layer of protection. And if you share a device, make sure to log out when you're done. That's it. Now you know how to change or reset your Robinhood password with confidence.